Over time, the key to sound investment is diversity. And our next guests say one of the best ways to protect yourself in the up and down of the market is to invest in precious metals. Please welcome Eric Sepanek and Steve Rand of Scottsdale Bullion and Coin to help you understand the market a little bit better and our investments. Great to see both of you. I want to start with you, Steve. We're in one of the longest bull runs in history. Where do we stand exactly?
Well, right now we're 1 month out from being the second longest bull run in history, which is great for people making money right now. But if you remember back to 2007, all good things come to an end, and that's what we're worried about, is that there's so much room at the top, or so much weight at the top right now, that we're looking for some pretty significant corrections. Market Watch ran an article today saying that they believe there's a suckers rally, the biggest suckers rally of all time, and that's what we're concerned about.
It's so confusing for a lot of people out there because you're watching the stocks, you're watching them go up and down. We're going to look at a graphic. Explain the risk that we're seeing here.
Well, if you look at in the previous bull markets, you can see that we're 96 out of 97 months. We're very close to being the second longest bull market in history. But what's more important is where you look and see what happens after when these bull runs end. And the average subsequent bear market decline after a run is 51%. The last one in 2007 was 57% drop. So it's better to be out in front of this thing and be diversified before you need it.
And Eric, as he just stated, there was correction back in 2007. How did gold do?
Well, gold, actually, we have a graph for that we're going to look at as well, but it's done very well when these types of markets correct. And one of the biggest reasons I can see there, the takeoff there, really is because the number one thing that people retreat to is precious metals, because it's just the number one hedge product out there. So you'll find out real quick how fast people believe in hard assets the minute that paper assets start to falter and fail.
And when we look at this, when we look at something like this, I mean, that is a considerable spike. Look at that, from 2008 up to 2012. If someone has never invested in precious metals, how do they go about that?
Well, I mean, there's three different real ways to do it. What we handle is just the physical side of things, but you can invest in the stock market and paper assets. But most people are concerned about making sure that they have something that's tangible. So what we do is, if you come with us, we sit down, we figure out the different types of products that are available and what will fit your needs. So that's the best way.
You guys have come on here with the coins before, and you have a really great interest in that, especially when you gave away that free coin.
Sure.
Any talk of doing that again?
Well, we can't do that every time, but we're thinking about maybe soon we'll give away another free coin.
And we talked about this the last time you were here, because I think there are people out there who do get coins over time. Maybe someone willed it to them. Should we be keeping these? And I mean, obviously protecting them and making them a part of our future and our retirement, right?
Well, definitely. And I mean, if you have something right now, if you have something physical, gold or silver, definitely keep it. There are ways that sometimes we can help you to be able to improve that may not be the right thing for your particular needs. And if you have questions about that, you can call us. But, we're not so much an appraisal service, but more of a, helping people to determine, do I have the right type of option that's going to be the best suited for what my needs are?
Absolutely. And of course, when we see the market going up like this, that's the only thing that seems steady, right?
Exactly.
That seems steady. All right, let's give you some information. Scottsdale Bullion and Coin. They have a special offer for the first 15 callers right now. You are going to receive a free investment guide. They are located at 14500 Northside Boulevard, Suite 204. Give them a call today, 480-459-5597, or go to their website, sbcgold.com.